This is the case.
High Court and Supreme Court judgments confirming the same.
This is the case, my lord, where 105, my lord, may I make one submission. Weeks time, my lord, I have done all my submission with regard to telling that 99 lakhs ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 3 crores ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. I am searching for some document so that ಇಲ್ಲ not with regard to this, my lord. ಅಲ್ಲ, my lord, my submission is, my lord, he has come and taken that 19, he is staying in Australia. The petitioner is staying in Australia. He has come and taken this 99 lakhs also. Then he has filed the MFA.
His entitlements.
Yes, he is entitled for that. My lord, their contention is he has not signed the joint memo. He would have given consent, right, my lord, to the advocate telling that. No, as he is staying in.
ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಇದಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. For this reason, my lord, 99 lakhs ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ he did not dispute under protest. ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
As simple as is it is. ಪಕ್ಕದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೆ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 10.5 crores.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲೇ
105 rupees, my lord, per
105 rupees ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ,
ನಿಮ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ 100 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
105 47 rupees.
My lord, they are not telling how it came to 47. 100 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Rupees 100 rupees ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 53 rupees they have deducted, telling that it is not converted land ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 53 for development ಅಂತ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 47 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
adjacent land
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 105 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 150. My lord,
adjacent land ಯಾಕೆ?
my lord, they have come to the appeal, my lord. They have proved that.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, appeal is withdrawn on the ground of compromise, which I am going to recall now, no doubt about it.
I understand.
I am going to, again I will recall it and let the proceedings go on.
My lord,
That is all. I am not determining anything here. I will only record that 47 rupees ivrige, 105 rupees adjacent land ge compromise anta close madide. Compromise he has not signed, so I will recall it, let the execution go on. Content everything in the execution, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 20 next week ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ವಾರ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, if there is any consent from him telling that okay you can go ahead with the compromise ಅಂತ, ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್? ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೊಡೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡೋಣ. I will try. It is not, my lord,
that
it
is
is
all.
not, my lord, the execution petition which he has filed is for 3 crores change. That is already paid. That amount is paid. Interest
ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
The
Compromise,
whole
compromise consent ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
entire fulcrum of this list is compromise. I am going to recall that compromise, let it go before the
If the
executing court.
compromise is with consent of that person, the petitioner, then it will be.
Even then I will recall because of the adjacent lands value.
My lord, if once the compromise.
ಏನು ಯಾರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ?
My lord,
ಕಡಿಮೆ ತಗೊಂತಾರ?
first ಇದೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. First order is this, my lord. Once the order is done, if he has entered into compromise and he has taken the money, then there is no question of enhancement. That is our.
But the compromise ಮೇಲೆ close ಮಾಡಿರೋದು is definitely more than what meets the eye there.
1 week time ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
1 week time ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. But this is the order that I am going to pass.
If I prove before this honorable
No
court,
prove ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, if
I will
produce the
recall
document,
the order and restore execution, period. Yes.
I understand, my lord.
You want time, I'll take it. I'll
If I
grant
give-
a week's time, no problem. List on 29th in preliminary hearing.
Yes.
That will be the order unless you give me some document that, which they don't have. Our advocate hತ್ರ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋ document ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗ್ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ. I'm searching for that document. If it is there, I will produce.
ಯಾರ್ದೋ ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರ್ದು consent? Yes. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Please.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Please.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಡೀಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಏನೀಗ
Execution
ನಡೀಲಿ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ execution ಅವರೇ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಅದೇ
ಅವರೇ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. It is more than 4 crores we have paid to him.
Correct. Who will accept that? No, I will not seek enhancement at all. Give me this.
ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು, ಅದು ನನ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So if he has given consent, I will produce. If not, I cannot.
Right. 29th.
Please.